In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a folder in Google Drive. Short tutorial. Google Drive doesn't offer a built-in copy command for entire folders, so the reliable workaround is to download the folder to your computer and then upload it back as a new folder. It keeps the original safe, preserves the structure of files and subfolders, and gives you a clean duplicate you can organize or share separately. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and heading to your Drive home. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you have enough storage space for both the download and the upload. A stable internet connection helps, especially if the folder is large. Find the folder you want to duplicate and select it. Right-click the folder and choose Download. Drive will package the folder into a single zip file. This step can take some time if there are many files or large videos and images, so let it finish before moving on. When the download completes, open your Downloads folder on your computer. You'll see a zip file with the same name as your folder. Unzip it to restore the original folder structure. On most systems, you can double-click to unzip. On Windows, you might use Extract All. After extraction, you should see a regular folder with all its files and subfolders intact. Now return to Google Drive in your browser and click the New button at the top left. From the menu, choose Folder Upload. A file picker will open. Navigate to your Downloads folder, select the unzipped folder you just created, and confirm. Drive will begin uploading that folder as a brand new copy. You'll see a progress indicator. If prompted to upload many files, approve the upload and let it complete. When it's done, your duplicate appears in My Drive with the same name and internal structure as the original. At this point, you have a separate copy that you can move, rename, or share independently. Keep in mind that sharing settings from the original don't automatically carry over, so set new permissions if you plan to collaborate. Also remember that both copies count toward your storage quota. If space is tight, consider removing the zip file from your computer after verifying the upload, and clean up any unneeded duplicates. That's it. By downloading, unzipping, and uploading, you've effectively cloned a Google Drive folder while keeping the original untouched and organized.